Good morning. Before we sing this inscription of hope, there's a word about the text, and these are the words from the composer. Because of the gripping significance of the text, the composer feels it imperative that the following paragraph be read. The Holocaust is a stunning reminder of the tragic results of prejudice and hate toward other people, but it is also a reminder that hope held firm will eventually reign victorious over the greatest of odds. The following words were inscribed on the walls of a cellar in Cologne, Germany, where Jews were hiding from the Nazis during World War II. Hope was all they had to hold on to, and hope was their only bridge to a brighter tomorrow.
May their song